Make your journeys hassle-free with HDFC Bank FASTag. Skip queues, save time, and manage your FASTag wallet effortlessly. To get started, scan the QR code or visit the HDFC Bank FASTag website. To begin, enter your mobile number and PAN to access the FASTag application. If you're an existing HDFC Bank customer, your personal details will be auto-filled for convenience. New customers can fill in personal details manually to apply. Next, upload your RC in JPEG, PNG or PDF format. Tap the Continue button. Your vehicle details may auto-fetch or you can enter them manually. You can add up to 5 vehicles to your wallet. Review your application details carefully. Load your FASTag wallet, set auto recharge if desired, and pay securely. Post successful payment, note the reference number for tracking. Draft applications are saved for 10 days if not completed. Your FASTag will be dispatched the next day, delivered within 5 days. Apply today via the HDFC Bank FASTag website or scan the QR code. Start enjoying smooth, hassle-free journeys. Share with friends and apply now.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.